lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again when the stars are alive. We will dance in the meadow on our favorite place when spring is coming. I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what needs to grow. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Wanna be free with this heart. Yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you now, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow. Yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over. Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah.